working with the surface SOLIDWORKS. First of all, on the panel, click right mouse button and from drop down menu activate the panel surface. It started with the creation of one of the base, extruded surface or revolved surface. By activated command, select the plane, maybe above, and create a sketch. In the dialog box set create the sketch and exit. In the dialog box set depth, or on work field change arrow, select direction and draft 1 2 3 4 5 6 10 degree. We can cone surface. We have cone surface.